All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. We are back again in a new video reaction. I just want to go through this post that US made based on the news, the breaking news from Burkina Faso. Last time we discussed about the presence of USB government in Burkina Faso, and we have talked about the sending of birthday wishes to current Namibian president. We talked about it yesterday, and this morning, depending on when you're watching the video, there's a breaking news, all right, about the presence of USB government in Burkina Faso as we speak. They are establishing their presence in Burkina Faso in all angles, and some of us saw, know that they are there, but we don't saw this kind of thing coming, and that is why when the news was made, I don't have any other choice than to bring it to you, and I want you to calm down, open your mind, listen and follow it. You may see something, from this. I don't have any intel to add on, but I have to bring it the way it is. And make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. In case if you are new, do me a favor and make sure you like the video. We are gonna go through it, the whole thing together. So that's why you need to like the video and share it, of course, very, very important. All right. Now, some people may say, and so what? This is doesn't it's just it does not mean anything, we want to, that kind of thing. I'm not against you with what you wish, but sometimes you need to be realistic. You need to, be serious on what you are doing and let the world see your goodies, that kind of thing. So we are going straight to the program as you have it here. This is from the office of Dr. Nkosala Blessed, Deputy Prime Minister, and she made this publication about the same thing that we talked about. And I want to let me expand it so that it will be okay for everybody to read alongside. Let me get it done. All right, I think this should be the way it should be supposed to be. Now, this is the write-up, as you can see here, press release, USBG, that's the United States of Biafra government, established in Burkina Faso. USB government strengthens global humanitarian ties, signing of mutual cooperation agreement between New Dimension Mandate, NDM, and Long Almo du Prochi. I think it should be French language. I believe so, but that's the name of the humanitarian organization that USB has signed mutual cooperation agreement with, and they base and operate in Burkina Faso. I think maybe they have presence in different part of the world, but this one has to do in Burkina Faso. So USB government establishing their presence in Burkina Faso have registered their presence and signed agreement with Burkina Faso-based humanitarian organization. All right. On behalf of the Deputy Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra, Honorable Dr. Nkosala Blessed, the New Dimension Mandate (NDM) has officially signed a mutual cooperation agreement (MOU) with Long Almo du Proche, a respected humanitarian organization based in Burkina Faso. Do you understand? Like I told you, based in Burkina Faso, and it is well known and well, respected. Burkina Faso is one of the fast-growing country in terms of security, economic, and what have you, based on the current president of Burkina Faso that everybody loved across the board. It's not only Burkina Faso people. Remember, there was a time the people were not protesting, not Biafran, Burkina Faso youth trooped out to protect the president because of the invaders, people who wanted to disrupt the choice and the mandate of Ibrahim Traore. That Biafra, and also Burkina Faso loved, even not only Burkina Faso, every youth, every sensible Africans, home and abroad, pray and show their love to Ibrahim Traore, and he's living up to this expectation. Like I said yesterday, young nation like Biafran looked up to Namibian president and Burkina Faso because these are people that are actually doing something marvelous. As we speak, Africans are proud of them. They may come from a country that is not, maybe is not well known like other countries like Nigeria and other, but it's not that they don't know them, they do know them, but the so-called giant of Africa and what have you are not yet, are nowhere to be found. Even Black Americans are, showing their love to Burkina Faso simply because of the current leadership. Let's continue. The signing ceremony was witnessed by Honorable Bishop Nwa Izu, who represented the Dongozo Rabeze and USBG government. The agreement marks a new dimension mandate for deeper international collaboration in humanitarian relief, community empowerment, education, and sustainable development across Biafran, Burkina Faso, and other African nations. All right. This partnership underscores the shared vision of both organizations to uplift vulnerable populations, promote justice, and build resilient communities through cooperation, advocacy, and humanitarian services. Honorable Bishop Nwezu also paid tribute to the enduring legacy of President Thomas Sankara by visiting the Thomas Sankara's Memorial Park in Ouagadougou. Sorry about it. So this is honoring his vision for Africa unity, justice, and people-centered leadership. All right. This milestone reflects the United States of Biafran's growing international engagement and commitment to building strong alliance that advance the cause of freedom, equality, and humanitarian progress across Africa and the world. This is what she has posted. And this post, like I said, many don't see it coming. I don't see it either, but I know their presence there is not going to be neglected. And I'm surprised, I'm happy, I'm pleased to see this agreement. And, like I always tell you, we must start, from somewhere. And they're starting, with the right. They're starting with with the right choice, or with the right leg. They're standing firm, doing what people don't believe that this kind of thing will come as fast as it is today. And the video, this short clip, you may not understand what happened here, but we are going to play it though. Some of you may have, maybe we may have the knowledge of the language. Burkina Faso, I don't think they speak English, because these are countries that colonized by France. So it could be French, but let's go there and hear this. No, the video is too wide. Let's watch it this way. Okay, you can see the Biafran flag and Burkina Faso flag, and this is USBG personnel in their office. So, like I said, if you read the first comment there, that USBG government, look at it here. I'm going back to look at it here. Press release: USBG, United States of Biafra government, establishes in Burkina Faso. So don't be surprised that you are seeing the office and everything here. That's all I can tell you. And here, you can see here, this is where they sign. They're signing something. It could be the document about this ties. Yeah, right. Look at this one. And this USBG government is so. And she mentioned this visitation to Thomas Sankara's Memorial Park, and you can see Biafran raising flags, waving flags up there, paying respect and all that. So the relationship, or the friendship, sorry, is something, is something to cheer you up. So if you pay close attention there, you may hear them talking about you know. Let's see if you can pick anything from there. Okay, there's someone trying to explain that in English, and he's saying that Bishop and Biafrans are in Burkina Faso. So that is update that I want you to know. I want to have it like CS shared it is what share it, to be honest with you. And I'm not gonna waste much time. So this is update, like I said. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about this update. What do you have to say? Because I believe this one gladden your heart, unless if you don't like anything progress, then you may have issue with it. But to me, I'm happy to see this, and I believe millions of reference are happy to see that, because Burkina Faso keep as well. Please make sure you let me know what you think about it on comment section. Just visit the comment section and tell us your own take on this. God bless you, and bye bye for now. Take care.